everybody, I'm Melissa Burnett and I'm a 3rd grader and I'm here to talk about masks. And I brought on my mom because she's my mom and because she's a pediatrician.
Hi everybody. So William, let's tell everyone a little bit about why it's important that we wear masks to school this year.
Well, it prevents us from giving germs to our friends and teachers.
That's right. When we both wear a mask, then I protect you and you protect me. It's how we take care of each other. Should we show everyone how it's done?
Sure.
So that's a great mask because it looks like it's your size. The important thing is that it covers your nose and mouth and goes from ear to ear and under your chin, and that it's comfortable. You want to make sure that's right. You don't want to wear it under your nose like that. You want to make sure it goes up over your nose. Perfect. Once you have it on, and this is kind of tricky for all of us, you want to make sure you don't fiddle with it too much and touch it too much. How does it feel?
It feels pretty funny.
I know, they do feel pretty funny and sometimes a little hot and itchy. But I think the more we practice at it, the more comfortable we'll get with them. Kind of like wearing our seatbelts or wearing our bike helmets. Just something that we have to kind of practice and get used to. If you have a problem or you need help with your mask, you can always ask your teacher to help. We are so excited to get everyone back to school, and we hope it's going to be a healthy and wonderful year. And pretty soon, we're going to all be able to come to school without our masks again. Right, Will?
Yup.